Here is how to set up card with Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up card with your Fancily account. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your Fancily account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now in order to set up your card payment, tap on the profile icon that you can see on the top left. After that, go to add payment method. Now at this stage, you can add your card as your payment method. For that, tap on this add card option. Then after, enter your personal details and the details of your card. For example, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, your address, your city, your country, your zip code, email address, card number and other details. After you have entered all of the details correctly, you can simply tap on this add card option. Then after, the particular card will be added in your account. So in this way, you can easily set up card on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.